Hi guys, welcome to our playlist. In this recording, we are going to understand filter the collection as a dictionary. How we can filter the dictionary using LINQ Query in UiPath. So, before the watching this video, in case of new, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to open this UiPath Studio. So, suppose we have a dictionary. Dictionary means what? It's a kind of variable. It's a two-dimensional variable. Why I'm call it as a two-dimensional variable? Because it is going to store the key value pair, key and value. So that's why it's a two-dimensional variable. We can apply the filter on dictionary using LINQ Query. So let's see. So I'm going to create a one dictionary. So how we can create that? So I'm going to put the name of that variable, that is a dictionary var, and here I'm going to select the type as a dictionary of string comma string. Okay, you select as per your requirement. I'm going to select the dictionary of string comma string. Okay, string, and key is string and value is also wait. Yeah, key is a string and value is also string. Okay, I'm going to click on this OK button. Why it's happened? Yeah, string, and this is also string. I'm going to click on OK button. So yeah, my dictionary is ready. Dictionary, it's need to initialize that variable. So we need to create an object. That how we can create an object of this dictionary? So dictionary variable is equal to new space dictionary of string comma string key value pair data type. We need to mention that. Okay, so how we can initialize that? So new space dictionary of in bracket of, you need to put the key data type comma value data type. So that is a nothing but a initialization of dictionary. So this is all about that. Suppose I want to add the record into the dictionary. How we can do that? So here we need to mention the from, and we need to put the data in square curly braces. Okay, so my key is, suppose key is a employee ID, suppose E001, and data is that is a name, that is a Kailas. Okay, so this is my first data in dictionary. So second record is, suppose key is my employee ID, that is the E001 E002. Okay, every key should be unique, value is a duplicate, not a issue. Okay, but key should be unique. Okay, though my value is Manish. Okay, so again I'm going to put the third record. So in curly braces, key is E003. Okay, E003, and value is Yadav. Okay, so these are three data which is available into the dictionary. I'm going to click on save. Suppose I want to apply the filter on dictionary. How we can achieve that? So I'm going to take a assign activity. Okay, here I'm going to put the LINQ Query. Okay, so for filter process, I write the LINQ Query. First line is a iteration line. What is that? So that is a from. So dict, or I'm going to put the any other name, that is a dict. Okay, that is fine. Okay, in, you need to mention the collection. My collection is a dictionary var. Then next line is a where clause line. Where, okay, dict var dot, sorry, dictionary variable. This is a temporary variable dot. Okay, dot. I need to apply the filter based on that value. So value dot to string. So I need to check if value starting with k. I need to get that dictionary. So how we can achieve that? So dict dot value dot to string dot to lower. Okay, dot start with, in double quotes, k. So value is starting for k. Then I need to select that dictionary. How we can select that? We need to select the temporary variable. So finally dot, I need to put the output into the back to the dictionary. So I am going to write the dot to dictionary. Yeah, that's it. Okay, what does it? First line, it is going to iterate the dictionary. First dictionary data come here, key value pair. So it is going to get the only value from that dictionary and convert into the string and convert into the lower. Again, it is going to check, yeah, it's a start with k. If it is true, then it is going to select and copy it into the dictionary. Again it is going to get the next dictionary next record, and again same task perform again and again. So this is nothing but how we can apply the filter on dictionary, and I need to store back into the dictionary same variable. So I'm going to display that dictionary. How we can display the dictionary? So as a string I'm going to display that string dictionary. So string dot join in bracket separator, separator I want to put into the stand line, and you need to mention the dictionary. Okay, means collection. Okay, this is nothing but a display that string as a dictionary. It is going to display the dictionary as a string. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we have only one data. See, in dictionary having three record, but value starting with K, only one record. See, one is the Kailash, second is the Manish and Yadav. Only one data which is starting from K. Suppose I want to apply the filter. Okay, suppose again I'm going to add one more record into this dictionary. So same I'm going to copy and paste. Again I'm going to add one more record into this dictionary. Okay, so that is a E004 and data is a like Kannade. Okay, so we have a three records in dictionary, four records in dictionary Kannade. Okay, that is fine. Yeah, so I'm going to click on save, and again I'm going to run this. Yeah, it is going to filter the value. It is starting from K. If it is starting from K, select that and put into the dictionary, and finally it is going to display the dictionary. It is a fine. Okay, but suppose my requirement is I need to check. Yeah, so value starting with K. If starting with K, then I need to get the only key. I don't want to get the value. I need to get the only key name and store into the array. Oh, how we can achieve that? I need to check that. Yeah, like value starting with K, is it true? If it is true, then I need to get the key and store into the array, not a dictionary. How we can achieve that? Here we have dictionary dot. Here I am going to write the like key. Yeah, dot to string. And instead of to dictionary, I am going to write the to array. We will get the result as a array. Yeah, I am going to click on save result array. So I am going to create a one array variable. So control K array underscore var. I am going to select the data type as a array of string. By default, it's a string. I am going to change the variable type, that is an array of string. So that's why it is showing the error. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, dot to array. Yeah, everything is fine. Object is not going to convert into the array, so it is my string. Okay, doc dictionary dot key dot to string. Otherwise, I'm going to remove this. Okay, yeah, yeah, it is going to get the only key and store into the array. Let's see. Yeah, it's a dictionary. Sorry, now only it's a dictionary variable. Instead of dictionary, I'm going to put the array. Yeah, it is going to display that array. Suppose suppose I have a dictionary. Yeah, this is nothing but a E001 and E004. E001 and E004, these are a key having value starting with K. Suppose I want to get the only value. How we can achieve that? Instead of key, I want to get the value. You can change that instead of key to value. Yeah, again it is going to get the only value. Yeah, this is nothing but a how we can apply the filter on dictionary. Okay, how we can get the only key, how we can get the only value, how we can store into the array, how we can store back into the dictionary. This is all about the dictionary, how we can apply the filter. Okay, so yeah, so thanks for watching this video guys. Okay, thanks.